Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Fokkak, peace, Aish, مش ناقص. We have in this episode 5 important expressions that Egyptians say really often. Okay, we will talk about each expression in detail, but before we start, don't forget to enroll in my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course and also download my free ebook. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Let's start with the first expression. Our first expression is Fokkak or Fokkak minni. Fokkak, and Fokkak from the verb يفك, it means to unscrew something. But when Egyptians say Fokkak, it means just leave me alone, okay, or ignore this idea. So when I say, for example, to a friend, Fokkak, this does not work, okay, this thing will not work, or this idea will not work. Fokkak here, it means ignore it completely, okay, let's find something else. So we say Fokkak. Also, you say Fokkak minni, okay, ignore me, forget about me, don't consider me in your calculations, okay, Fokkak minni. So Fokkak and Fokkak minni, Egyptians say all the time. So concentrate when you hear them, and now you know what is the meaning. The second expression is peace. Yes, exactly, this is the English peace. Peace, the English word. And Egyptians usually say it in a way that does not reflect actual peace. But when they say, for example, are you going to do this? Peace. Peace here, it means agreed, okay, or okay, or I am with you. I also have the idea and I am totally supporting what you are saying. Peace. So instead of saying all this, Egyptians just say peace. Okay, when you hear peace as an answer, you know what does it mean. The third important expression is Aish. Aish. And the word Aish or the verb Aish, it means he lived. Okay, Aish. Okay, but usually we use it in a way that means that you are really happy about this idea, or you are somehow giving high rank or high regard to what is being said. So when you say, for example, okay, so we will play football, and then I will say Aish. Aish here, I am just praying to Allah that whoever said this idea may live longer. Okay, so Aish here, it means thank you, this is great, I agree, I am very happy about this. So when people say Aish, it means that they agree and really love what they are hearing. So say it with me, Aish. مش ناقص. مش ناقص, it means I cannot tolerate this anymore, I cannot accept it anymore, it's too much for me. Okay, مش ناقص. ناقص is somehow lacking something or not complete. This is the meaning of ناقص. And مش is a negation, okay? But this is an expression on its own. When you say مش ناقص, it means I cannot have any more of this. I cannot tolerate any more of this. Please stop this, okay? I don't have the capacity to get anything more from this. So مش ناقص. And sometimes also Egyptians say مش ناقصة. مش ناقصة. So they give just the female alternative of ناقص. ناقصة. Okay. مش ناقصة, it means this topic or this matter is closed for me. Okay. I cannot take any more of it. مش ناقصة. مش ناقصة. So مش ناقص or مش ناقصة, when Egyptians say this, it means that they are really angry. They are really stressed and cannot take any more. So pay attention when somebody said مش ناقصة. Faakes. Faakes here, it means not a good idea. Ignore it. Pass. Okay? So Faakes, it means pass. It's not a good idea. I cannot accept it. So whenever an Egyptian is saying Faakes, it means that this idea is a bad idea for him or her. Okay? Faakes. Now you know what I mean when I say Faakes. Peace. مش ناقص. مش ناقصة. فكك مني. All these expressions are super common expressions, as I told you, and they are really said many times during daily situations. So now you are equipped with these expressions. Say it to yourself many times and get familiar with them. If you are watching a series or movie, you will find them, but most of these expressions actually are new. So you'll find them in the latest 20 years maximum. Okay, so are not old Egyptian, they are pretty new. Thank you very much for watching this episode with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget also to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. You'll find the link in the first comment in the description box. Also, there is a downloadable ebook there. You go to the course, sign up, and then enroll. Then you can download the ebook completely for free. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, write me a comment below. Thank you, and see you in a future channel.